guys want to know what it's like living in Florida, I checked the weather app and it was like, no chance of rain today. 30 minutes later, doom! It's raining. My car was like almost like rocking back and forth from the wind. It's gonna be a storm. But that's good. Everyone in the park can leave, and but honestly it doesn't even matter because Flight of Passage has been posted at a 10-minute wait all day. And I've only been on it once because I don't want to wait 5-6 hours for it normally. So I'm just gonna ride Flight of Passage 20 times and bring you guys along with me, and it's gonna be great. Right, not gonna lie guys, I'm a little chilly right now, but yet my weather app says it's like 102 degrees. Again, not complaining. Oh, the wind. I have no eyebrows. Well, so this is a smoking, I guess, section, this little trash can. It's like in the parking lot. The front entrance is all the way up there. I swear a tornado is about to come through. It's so windy, and I need a jacket, and it's the middle of August. What? How much of you guys want to bet that's going to be 110 degrees again and bright and sunny in about 10 minutes? And this rain is going to go away. Why? It's like the umbrella isn't doing anything for me. Oh my god. This is how it is. I don't know if you guys can see. Oh, there's like 10 people at the very cross. Looks like everyone in the park is leaving as normal when it rains. All 10 people that were at the park today. You know, I was gonna ride Flight of Passage first, but I think I'm just gonna head straight over to Kilimanjaro because I hear the animals like to come out and play when it rains. So I feel like this would be perfect. Wow, look at this beautiful sight. There's no one here. Come to Disney during the pandemic. It's safe. There's plenty of social distancing. So I did just ask a cast member, and they said even with the lightning in the area, Kilimanjaro will still be open because the trucks, I guess, are safe against that stuff. But they said if the track like floods too much, then obviously it would close. Yeah, so it's good to know. Did not know that before.
My 6 years here in Africa, I spent...
Kilimanjaro was posted at a 20-minute wait, but it is a walk-on. There is no one here. Seeing cast members here cleaning the plexiglass. Hello! Ooh, am I gonna get a whole truck to myself? This is exciting. There's no one here.
Around 6 feet at the shoulders, going upwards of about 1,000 pounds. In different directions, so they have ears and eyes pointed every direction, so they know when danger's coming just a little bit too close. Now the correct name for a group of giraffes is the tower, which makes a lot of sense since they're so tall. It's almost 2 years, about 22 months. Now the baby elephant is finally born. They'll be born around 300 pounds. Water on their backs is a way to protect themselves from the sun and to remain nice and cool. They are born with those beautiful pink feathers. As you get them over time, they're born more of a light gray color.
Do you guys see the hood of Mickey?
The way you can tell the difference between the white rhino and the black rhino we saw in the Tier 4 is spell it like a mouse. White rhinos have more of a wide mouth, it's more rectangular in shape.
So they have hand sanitizer stations everywhere, but they also have these so you can wash your hands. It's right across from the Starbucks here. Flight of Passage currently has a 10-minute wait. That is crazy. I am so excited to ride this ride. This is so pretty. Forgot that this was here. It's been so long.
When actively eating or drinking, please keep your party together, abide by the queue markings, and maintain physical distancing between your party and others. Remember to
blending human DNA.
So the cast member here did hand me
Once
a pair
we
of
match you
glasses.
to an avatar, thanks to a special link chair, your mind will be able to control that avatar.
Do you have the social
Using
distancing
avatars
markers on
to
the
fly this
camera?
way was all figured out by my boss, Dr. Jackie Ogden. She leads our science team, which is part of the Pandora Conservation Initiative.
So yeah, that was awesome. Flight of Passage was like maybe a 5-minute wait. So if you're coming to Animal Kingdom, I would definitely take advantage of riding this ride as much as possible, because normally it's like hours and hours. That is insane. 5-minute wait for Na'vi River. So not only are the waits super short, but it's breezy, it's not hot at all, the sun's not out, it's all cloudy. I could be wearing a jacket right now. It feels so nice.
Cover your mouth and nose when coughing and sneezing, and maintain physical distancing. Thank you.
I'm getting a whole boat to myself. How exciting! Alright, I'm going to ride Flight of Passage again. Awesome. There's no one around me. Looks like this isn't even going to be a 5-minute wait. Just 5 minutes just to walk to the front. Round 3 on Flight of Passage. Look, there's not a line. This is great. I love this. I'm currently in a relaxation station, and it's at Pizzafari. If you guys don't know, it's where you can take off your mask and just kind of relax for a bit. And then, of course, I got my $2 popcorn refill for the bucket that I have. Alright guys, so everything's supposed to either 5 or 10 minute wait, which means everything is a walk-on right now. So I'm gonna go spend the next hour riding Dinosaur over and over and over again. I am so excited. I wonder how long it's gonna be Donald's Dino Bash. Because I thought that was a temporary thing. Is that just permanent now? Also, they got rid of the Primeval Roll. I actually like that ride. I liked it, but it's gone now. It's okay though. Hopefully something new will come in its place. If you guys are wondering what the Restaurantosaurus has, this is their menu. Oh, they have the Impossible Burger. Let's get one last look at Primeval Roll, since I'm not sure when it's going to be torn down. I'm actually really going to miss this ride. Side of it. It's all dark in there. I also think it's so weird that if you go to the fair, they have the exact same thing, except the ride vehicles are mice, and on the back of them, one of them says Minnie, one of them says Mickey. I was like, wow, they totally ripped Disney off. I never knew this, but the Restaurantosaurus has alcohol.
Whoa! Suddenly, without warning, strong meteor showers begin to pepper the earth, creating explosions.
Oh wow, so this is the pre-show room.
Period.
Storm with heat.